Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim. The Maverick is Ford's new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this model comes with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities. And looking into the bed, which is kind of designed to be a DIY platform, and you have these QR codes here that you can scan to give you some ideas of what you can do with this space. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 120-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C there. Seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveals some pretty deep storage bins underneath, as well as more of these QR codes to give you an idea of what to do with this space. Then looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, my view with a digital speedometer, your now playing phone controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You can go into all of that in-depth stuff. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving further to the left, you have your lighting controls, as well as your trailer brake controller, which is part of the 4K tow package, giving you some greater towing capability. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have a little bin, and to the side, you have a little cubby. Moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards. And moving down further, you have your climate controls with automatic climate. And then you have a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. And you have this sort of tray area here where you can put your phone or whatever else you want. You've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby, and then your brake hold, auto start stop shut off, traction control shut off, and your drive mode selector. So you have normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and smart mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have another tray here and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.